pretty sure that you guys have seen that around 11 p.m. up until 1 a.m. midnight in South Africa, there is a huge spread that is always happening. So on today's video, I'm just going to show you the experience that I had because of that spread at midnight. And I advise you guys not to trade at midnight. I will tell you the reasons at the end of this video. So on today's video, I'm going to explain, in fact, I'm going to read it out for you from the internet why there is a huge spread at midnight in South Africa, and also at what time can we be able to trade in South Africa.
Alright, as you guys can see here, right over here, you guys, I'm sure you are shocked because I was supposed to catch the sniper entry, but my trade didn't exactly trigger. So I'm going to show you exactly what I was looking for on this trade, and then what really went down for the reasons why this trade didn't happen. So let's see right over here. As you can see right over here, my trade really went down. As you can see, it went down. It was supposed to trigger my trade, but it didn't. It shut down and then goes up to the upper side, right? So that was supposed to be a sniper entry, and then my TP was supposed to be up there. Let me show you where my first TP was supposed to be there, and then the after my second TP was supposed to be there. So let me show you how exactly I took this trade. As you can see, we were having an uptrend. The market shot to the upper side, created our order block, and then shot. That's our order block right over there, and then shot to the upper side. After shooting to the upper side, I saw this fair value gap, which is in balance right over here. After seeing that, I knew that the market must come back to the downside to mitigate our order block and then shoot to the upper side. So the reason why we're looking for buys, as you can see, we've been experiencing an uptrend. So when you are experiencing an uptrend, you need to make sure you are only looking for buying opportunities. So that's why we marked our order block right over there, so that when the market comes back to our order block, it will be able to trigger our trade, and then we'll be able to catch our trade to the upper side from our order block right over there. So whenever you see an uptrend, you are only looking for a buying opportunities. Whenever you see a downtrend, you are looking for selling opportunities.
All right, guys, as you guys have seen that I experienced that thing, my trade didn't trigger. So let's find out the reasons why and when can we be able to trade. When is the market is tradable in South Africa? The best time to trade in South Africa. Okay, from the internet it says, why are spread high at night? It is. In fact, normally for spread to increase during the night, and especially on Mondays, since there are not as many participants in the trading, and therefore the liquidity is low. And then we have another reason why a spread so high at 10 p.m. but normally starts at 11 p.m. But here they've written 10 p.m. But then let's find out. At 10 p.m., the Asian session begins and the European sessions comes to a close. This is a time when there is a lot of trading activity, as traders from both regions are active in the market. This increased trading activity leads to increased volatility, which in turn results in wider spread. We have two reasons that we got. The first reason speaks about on Monday, especially because there is a liquidity, there is a low of liquidity. And then the second reason that we got is because of the Asian session begins and also the European session comes to close. Now we need to find out what's the best time to trade in South Africa. They gave us the best time to trade in South Africa. Now it says, What time is Forex most volatile in South Africa? Meaning, if the market is volatile, that's the opportunity for you to trade. Is the best time to trade, because you need to trade when the market is moving, not when the market keeps consolidating. You are going to lose money, or you're not going to make money, or maybe you are going to be impatient. So let's find out. Best time to trade Forex in South Africa. It says the most active time in the Forex market is during the overlap between the London session and New York session, which falls between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. in South African Standard Time, which is true. If you can check, people from the UK and others, they tend to trade during night. The reason is because their New York sessions and also London session happens during night. That's why they are up during at night. You can check the times on the internet, they can show you. So we have an advantage that when the market is volatile, we're already up. It's during it starts exactly around 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and then the other one, I think, it starts around 10 to 3, somewhere there. So let's just check. The other reason why is the best time to trade in South Africa, which is during the day, right? Then the question was, is it good to trade at night in South Africa? And then they are saying, as you can see in this table, the best time to trade Forex is generally between 10, which is 10 a.m., and 17 hour, which is 5 p.m., right? In the afternoon, South African Standard Time. In the summer, you can start trading at 9 a.m. in the morning up until 4 o'clock afternoon, which is in winter. In summer, it is 10 to 15, 10 to 5, and also in winter, it is 9 to 4. So those are the best time that you can be able to trade. But if you are a swing trader, you can be able to leave your trade overnight. But if you are a day trader, it is very advisable to trade during those times. So for those who have expressing something like this, please comment down below and tell me, what do you think? Are they telling the truth or what? What is your opinion based on what I have experienced on this trade? Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and also please like this video so that the YouTube can be able to recommend this video to other people.